Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today our topic is phonics A to Z. Learning outcomes are student will be able to recognize letters A to Z, identify the sound of each letter, learn one vocabulary word for each letter, repeat and pronounce simple words correctly. Now read with me. A ant, A arrow, B bag, B box, K cat, K crow, D dog, D doll, E ear, E engine, F frog, F finger, G glass, G grass, H hole, H hut. E ink, E ice, J jeep, J jacket, K key, K kettle, L log, L lamp, M man, M mat, N net, N nail, O orange, O ox, P pot, P pin, Q quilt, Q quiz, R rat, R radio, star, sack, T tap, T tomato, A umbrella, A underwater, V van, V was, W window, W woman, X X X X-ray, Y york, Y yoga, Z zoo. Practice phonics A to Z is your homework. Thank you.